In this guide video, I'm going to walk you through on how to change Facebook Messenger language. Now, if you have tried to change your language of Facebook Messenger within the settings, you can see that there is no option within the settings of Messenger to change the language. So in this case, what you can do is change the language of your entire phone, and the Messenger language will be also changed. That is the only solution to this. And as you can see, there is no option of changing the language on the Messenger app itself. So let me quickly show you how you can change the language of your phone. Open up the settings of your phone and then open up the language setting. Mine is inside additional settings, language and input, and language. Yours could be in a different place, so you'll need to find it where it is. From here, just pick the language that you want to add in and change to your Messenger also. Pick the language and tap on OK. This may take a few seconds, so you'll need to wait out. And once the language of your phone has been changed, you can head back to your Messenger app. And you can see the language of your Messenger app now also has been changed to the one that you selected. So in my case, it's changed from English to Spanish because I chose the Spanish option on my phone settings. This is the only process of changing in Facebook Messenger language, and there is no other way to change it within the app of Messenger. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a like. If you want more content similar to this, turn on the notifications so you get notified for more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.